You're not running out of time. You've already lost most of it. You don't have decades to get your life together. You've got today, maybe. Look around. You're wasting your life on distractions, excuses, and fake goals you don't even believe in. Scrolling, complaining, convincing yourself that next year is when you'll finally start. Bullshit. Next year is just another graveyard for dead dreams. Here's the truth. If you died tomorrow, 90% of what you spent your time on wouldn't matter. Likes, gone. Status, forgotten. Comfort zone, useless. Your potential, buried with you. Most people live the same year 75 times and call it a life. They wake up tired, go to a job they hate, numb themselves with cheap dopamine at night. Repeat, they die at 25, but no one buries them until they're 75. You don't need more time. You need a better use of the time you already have. Stop saying, "I'll do it later." Later is a lie. It's the trap that keeps you average. Here's the shift. Treat your time like oxygen. Every second wasted is a breath you'll never get back. Cut the crap. Cut the fake friends. Cut the noise. Start doing what actually matters. To you, not your parents, not society, not your fragile ego. Live like your future self is watching, because one day you'll wish you had. You say you want change, but you keep choosing comfort over growth, excuses over action, Netflix over discipline. That's not life. That's slow suicide with Wi-Fi. Every second you delay, you reinforce the lie that you're not ready. You are. You just keep bullshitting yourself. So here's the deal. You either take control of your life, or you stay the same and rot slowly while calling it normal. Wake up. Your life doesn't need a miracle. It needs a decision. Decide right now. Spend it wisely, because it ends sooner than you think.